Alright guys, here's a video showing the two compositions that we did in class yesterday. So this first one is example with the car driving to the garage. You see in the bottom left we have the car going right to left, and then we need to park it in the garage that's going up and down. So we need to do two things to this car to make it fit in the garage. So here are the coordinates that make up the car. So the first thing you need to do is to rotate the car 90 degrees so you get it facing in the right direction. So you see the work we do for that up in the top left. So to rotate something 90 degrees, you're going to negate the y, and then you're going to flip the coordinates. So you're going to see what those new coordinates are going to be. The work shown in the upper left. So the new car I'm going to draw in green is shown there. The next step, the next thing you have to do is to translate the car or drive it up into the garage. Now I just counted the spaces to see what I had to do. I had to go to the left 1 and I had to drive up 13. So I just took the coordinates that I had and subtracted 1 from the x and added 13 to the y. And you can also, again, just move 1 to the left and up 13, which you can see I have in the blue circles. So those correspond to the new coordinates. And now the blue rectangle, the blue car, is parked in the garage. And then here's just an image of kind of what we did there, real quick, a quick sketch. The next example we have is drawing the snowman and moving it from the front yard to the backyard. Here's the equation of the circle that makes the base of the snowman. Now we have the positive 6 and the positive 6 in both the x and y areas. We know we switch those to make those negative 6, and then the 16 we have at the end, we need to find the square root of that, and that makes its radius. So the coordinate for the center point is negative 6, and the radius is 4. So I've already drawn the base of the snowman here in the bottom left on the third coordinate. Now to give that of a dilation of 1/2, I need to find half of 4, which is 2. So the second circle is going to have a radius of 2, a little bit smaller. And again, I need to find the dilation of 1/2 of that circle, which is 1. So the radius of the top or the head of the snowman is going to be 1. Next I have to reflect this over the x-axis, which is moving from the backyard, as we said, to the front yard. So moving that, all I did, I just counted, you can see the red dots, I counted up 6, alright, because the center point of that snowman is 6 spaces away from the x-axis. Its new position, again, is going to be 6 spaces away from the x-axis, and I drew the same base with a radius of 4. I drew the same midsection again with a radius of 2, and the head the same with a radius of 1. I hope that video helped you out. Remember, we have our quiz tomorrow on transformations and compositions. Good luck.